everybody, Sydney here. So I am so excited to share this tip video with you guys because it's helped me so much and I want to help you guys. I absolutely hate putting on false lashes. I feel like I cannot put it on my lash line. I feel like the glue doesn't stick to the inner corner and I feel like it takes literally an hour to apply false lashes for me. And that's the reason why I came up with this lash routine or mascara routine to make it look like I have falsies on, but it's really my real lashes. So sometimes I do put on castor oil like right on my lashes and like comb it through to make my lashes grow more, and it's actually been helping a lot. And yeah, I don't know if you can tell right now because I don't have any mascara on, but they have been growing, so I recommend that if you want your lashes to grow naturally. So here are my tips to making your natural lashes look like falsies. So step number one is getting a lash separator or comb. I got mine from Ulta and it was only, I believe, like $5 to $8. I can't really remember that well, but honestly, this is worth your money. So if you comb out your lashes, it's gonna make them ready for your mascara. So I really like this one because it's in the shape of your lashes and you can just comb through them very easily. And the reason why I do this is because my lashes for some reason get clumped together even before I have any product on them. It just, I don't know, it's like they get tangled together. So I'm just gonna comb through my lashes. So the second step is to curl your lashes. My favorite eyelash curler is by Kevyn Aucoin. It is a little more on the pricier side, so if you cannot afford an eyelash curler like this, there's tons at the drugstore that work just fine. This is just my favorite and it's changed the game for my lashes. So I'm just gonna curl them. Alright, so the next step for me is to apply a lash primer. I have two lash primers that I have been loving. So one of the primers that I have been loving is the Velvet Primer by Marc Jacobs, and then I also love the Lancôme one. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply the primer on my lashes. You don't need a lot, just like a light coat. And there you go. So the reason why I love lash primers so much is because I feel like it holds a curl way better once you put mascara on it. And also it makes your lashes look a lot more fuller. So that's why I love using eyelash primer. So next I'm just gonna let that sit for like literally a couple seconds. You don't need to let it sit for very long, but I don't want it to be like super wet or I don't want it to be super dry. So just like an in-between. And then we're gonna go in with our mascara. This is my favorite mascara of all time. It is the Dior Show Waterproof Mascara and it's in the color black, or like the blackest black that they have. So the reason why I love this mascara so much is because it makes my lashes look extremely long. I don't know what's in this stuff that makes my lashes look so long, but I love it. So I'm just gonna apply a couple of coats to my lashes. So I applied a couple of coats of the Dior Show Mascara and I'm just gonna comb through my lashes again with the comb. This way there's not tons of clumps and it looks like natural. Okay, and since I'm super extra and I always do this step, I add another mascara that's usually more volumizing. So I really love the Monsieur Big mascara, and this makes my lashes look super volumized. So I use this one for length, and then this one is for volumizing and making my lashes look super full. So the most important step that I do every single time I do mascara is take my eyelash curler and light the top part of it right here with either a lighter. You can use a blow dryer, which I normally do. So this just heats up the eyelash curler, and when you curl your eyelashes, it's gonna melt the mascara into like this perfect, like, I don't know, it just looks so good and I just love the effect of it. When you're doing this, you need to be super careful and do not burn yourself because your eye is super sensitive. You just need this to be a little warm and not hot. So as you can see, this is before, and then this is after. So I don't know if you can tell, but this just looks really curled and really pretty. And using heat on your eyelash curler is going to melt the mascara and make your curl last even longer. So I really love doing this. You just have to be super careful. Okay, as you can see, my lashes look super long and it almost looks like I have false lashes on, but like a more natural false lashes. So I love doing this. And again, if you do not feel comfortable heating up your eyelash curler, you do not have to. You can just curl it instead with just the eyelash curler and your lashes will still look really beautiful. I personally just like heating it up with a blow dryer normally. So yeah, just keep aware and be safe. So yeah, that's how I do my mascara routine. I hope these tips help you, and if you like these tip videos, please let me know because I will do tons of more. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Mwah!